Welcome back to DOMS Easycook. Today we are making a juicy homemade roast beef melt that's perfect for sandwiches, burgers and more. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I am Dom and this is how I make my roast beef melt. Start by adding the garlic to a blender. Next, add the celery stick, then the onions. Follow with the carrot. Pour in the olive oil. Now add the demi-glaze. It adds rich, deep beef flavor. Season with black pepper. Add the dried thyme. Add the yellow mustard. It adds a mild tang and boosts flavor. Add the rosemary. It brings a fresh aromatic touch. Finally, pour in the water. It helps blend the marinade smoothly. Cover the blender and blend until smooth. This helps all the ingredients combine into a rich, flavorful marinade, allowing every bite of the beef to absorb maximum flavor. Line a baking tray with aluminum foil and place the beef tenderloins inside. Pour the blended marinade all over the beef. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Now, gently massage the marinade into the beef until every piece is well coated. Cover it again with aluminum foil and let it marinate for 4 to 5 hours. For the best flavor, marinate it overnight for up to 24 hours. Transfer the beef to a preheated oven at 180 degrees and roast for 45 to 50 minutes. We are using a convection oven, but you can use any regular oven available. Look at that, perfectly juicy, tender and packed with amazing flavor. Why buy roast beef when you can make it fresh at your home and save money? If you do like to see more amazing recipes, be sure to check out my playlist. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Until we meet in the next one, peace out.